Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll be assembling the Jagdpanzer 4 kit. So first of all, before you glue anything, you need to clip away the sprues. So putting aside the pieces that are done, and here take and clip away the supports from underneath this gun. There you go, that's good. You can always sand this down if you wish. Now, this one you need to clip away like this. There you go. And sand that all down if you wish. Now, let's do this gun. Very good. Clip away stuff like that. Very good. So we can throw away all the little plastic stuff. The clipping away is done for this video. So now, let's start to glue this together. So I will put a little glue here, there, and there. Then, carefully put this piece together like that. Very good. Up next, you just put this piece together like that. So go ahead and put a little glue here and there. And then put a little glue there, there, and some there. That should be good. Let's put this piece together like that. So that lined up all very nice. Excellent. Up next, the tracks are gonna go like this. If you were to put the tracks like that, that would look bad. So put the tracks like that. So put a little glue. Like so. And then from this angle, I like to do like that. That little back axle area, getting it in the center, and then, well, it's pretty easy to see all these axles where they should go. That all should line up like that. So now let's do the other side. Good. So that's looking great. The last thing that we need to do is put a little glue there and there. So let's put a little glue like that. And this depends on the listing that you bought, the gun that you'll get. So there's that. Optionally, this one. Alright, The Jagdpanzer 4 available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.